This is a pretty cool little tech demo. People have been trying to figure out how to use this LiDAR stuff on these iPhones. And obviously, we've seen demonstrations from Apple and IKEA, I think. Oh, hey, you put this piece of furniture in a room. Don't you want it? Or you put this computer, or how's it going to look in my space type thing. Mm-hmm. Well, the only issue with that is, what if you want to redo the whole room and you want to start from scratch? Well, that's where this comes in. This is called Reset. It lets you wipe out everything that's in a room so that you can reimagine it with whatever other items you might want to place into it. It's like when you're a kid and you move your bed to the other side of the room. You're like, it's a whole new room.
It's like Sims. You know that game?
Of course I know that game.
It's just Reset.
What if you could use the augmented reality features of a LiDAR-equipped iPhone to see how a room might look with all of its furniture removed? That's the idea behind the new prototype shown off by Shopify's Russ Maskmeyer on Twitter. He refers to it as a reset button for a room. And it's just an experiment at the moment. This isn't a thing that's, that any type of company is implementing. But there's all kinds of items you might want to imagine in a room, like a couch, a desk, kitchen table, or something. It would just be useless with all your stuff already there.
Yeah.
You can't really visualize it in that way. The prototype built with Apple's Room Plan API, detailed at WWDC this year, designed to let an iPhone or iPad user with LiDAR scan a room, understand its geometry and furniture, and build a 3D model that app developers can use however they want. So maybe that's something to be said about this being shown off by Shopify, the prototype being built by Shopify. I mean, a lot of different products sold on Shopify. You can imagine that, I don't know, build it into their product in some way. Mm. Or certain clients might want something like this.
It's just kind of, this other demo scans out the furniture that's in there. So it just has the floor and the wall. And then I'm hoping that somehow the wall and the floor will kind of stitch together. So
shout out to Willie Doo, guys. He's not feeling 100%, all right? Okay. Give him a break. Jeez, guys.
Really impressive stuff.
This guy, he's fighting right now. He's staying in the game. He's fighting.
Yeah.
Give the guy a break, all right?
Okay. Impressive stuff.
No, it's very cool. I love how quickly and how smoothly and quickly it takes place. And I can imagine, I don't know, can they sell this technology? Is it only for clients? It's just a prototype at the moment, but I would think IKEA would want to buy something like this. Mm-hmm. I would think, or license it and improve their own stuff.